Hello peeps and welcome back to my finally another sketchbook tour video. I'm currently standing right now behind the camera, crouching. So yeah, where do I want to start? This is Mossery sketchbook that I bought back in 2018, I guess. 2018? Yeah, 2018 June. 20th June 2018, and I just finished this sketchbook yesterday, 30th of December. Without further ado, yeah. It's a pocket of bookmarks, receipts, and I think there's sticker in here. Oh yeah. I hope you can see this. It's a little blue. Okay, yeah. I'm actually in front of entrance door at living room, so there will be background noises from outside of the house and inside the living room. This one is I just list down the inspirations and aspirations in order to spark the joy. I'm sorry, spark my imaginations or creativity muse. And here I list down the movies that I wanted to watch, or looking into their color scheme, their composition as references. And here I list down the storytelling tips that I watch. I have to search back that video because it was a long time ago. His tips is very useful. It doesn't need to be complete 10 by 10 of the tips. Yeah, more list down the ideas, listing the stories. And here is the first drawing that I made back in 20th June 2018. Marco, no. Sana. The color is changing due to Marco. No. Small little kitten, Carol. Oh God, Marco. No. Ouch! Marco! I'm gonna pause it for a while. Okay. I just want natural light basically, because in my bedroom there's no natural light at all. My bedroom is dim and I don't want to use pentafloor lamp. So yeah, let me adjust the camera a bit. And Marco is playing his toy mouse at the background, so let's continue. I'm just gonna flip through. I hope you can see. Yusuf, cut down. This one is a drawing made for cover for my sketchbook zine volume 2. Wait, let me show you the sketchbook zine volume 2. Here it is. The cover for my sketchbook zine volume 2. Pretty neat actually, with this ring bound at the side. It looks like that you are opening the sketchbook. Alright, move on. Let me adjust the blur. Sorry again if there's any background noises. In this sketchbook, I mostly use ink wash, inking black and white. This one is marker. This one is watercolor. I've been wanting to make witch stickers for a very long time now, but yeah. This is just the drafts, the ideas of what I wanted to make for witch theme stickers. This also featuring the twins. I'm not sure if featuring the twins. Marco, hey! Marco is going into my skirt, and I wanted to make witch stickers in watercolor style, but this is the result, and I'm not very good in watercolor. Marco, hey! The disturbance, the disturb. Ow. This is my OC, my new OC basically, my new baby. I created him back in character design, and I fell in love with him. His name, ouch! His name is Kronicle. He's a Toyo blue goblin. Oops, sorry. Marco! No! This one is just experimentation. No, don't. Just the... Okay, the left page one is just the experimentation of my OC original characters comic in Final Fantasy Fantasy Alternate Universe scene, where this guy here, Liang, is trying his best to convincing this main character here to... Are you biting? Okay, good. He's biting the ribbon. Oh god. My little brother taking care of Marco. Okay, where was I? Yeah. Convincing Phil to be one of him. Okay, this more sketchy stuff. Basically, even though I know Mossery sketchbook is expensive, but in the same time it's very stressed that all the times I wanted to make my Mossery sketchbook look beautiful in every pages, but I toss out that way of thinking, and I just draw whatever I want, any aspects, from live drawings to sketchy stuff to sleepy sketchy stuff, experimenting. Even though I lack of watercolor in this sketchbook, I mostly use ink and markers. This type of colors, I follow Fran once in a while. I love her color scheme, her color palettes, something like that. Yeah. Don't judge me. I love Queen Bee more than Ladybug. But I'm not sure. Since the recent episode, I'm not sure how she is handled in the story at this moment. Back then I participated in Hugh Vamber, but I didn't finish it, so I'm too lazy to continue. Aha! This one. When I look back at this page, this character, I just thought of that Promare guy, Gallo. I drew this character before Promare came out, and I was so shocked that that his hairstyle is the same as this character that I drew. And I also imagined her that she has a blue hair too. And when the first time I look in the trailer, in Promare trailer, and the illustration of Promare came out for the first time, I was so shocked. Except Gallo is a guy, a himbo guy. While this one is a girl, but I wanted to explore the sexuality gender spectrum, something like that. I think my dad is coming back home. There's so many I'm so sorry, guys. I'm using one hand right now. Wait. Okay, two hands. Just a few storyboards on my OCs. Noctis Lucis Kylan, FF15. I like this one. I wish I wanna draw it like that again. more Final Fantasy landscape by using watercolor. Hi Dad.
Remember?
No, record. Sketchbook tour. Where was I actually? Noctis? Okay. Starting this page, I am very into Final Fantasy 15 for the first time ever. I love this game despite the flaws in this game. It has so much potential. I really hope there will be a remake of it. I know for most of you it will be ridiculous. Here are the studies of the landscape, the composition from the game. Lunoct and studies. No studies. This drawing is this is actually from my dream. It's very calming, but in the same time it's adventure. This is the grandma, this is another tall man, and this one is a little boy, and while the middle one is actually myself. I don't know where were we going, but basically it's a very calming journey, and the setting of that place is something like from Tibet. Gladness. Not just gladness, but I finally draw my OCs kissing. It's very tough to draw kissing people, any genders, because yeah, I gotta tell you the truth, it's very tough. And so my New Year 2020 resolution in terms of art is draw many kissing people. Oh yeah, and also draw many muscular people. Draw the DDs. Some sketchy stuff. Oh yeah, and that's it. It was quite a journey to finish the sketchbook, even though I'm very busy. I'm very busy throughout the studies. Oh yeah, I just remembered this one is in my sketchbook zine volume 2. Where did I just put it? Here they are. If you're interested to purchase my sketchbook zine, you can find them in my store and view. For international ones, while for local ones, for local Malaysians, you can just direct message me. It's very hard, guys. I'm so sorry if this sketchbook tour is so many noises, so many disturbance, including my cat. Marco? He's coming. So that's it for the sketchbook tour. I finished them on 30th December 2019. And my mom is coming here to get Marco. Thanks, Mom. Bye. Oops. I hope you guys enjoy my so random sketchbook tour. I finally finished it, regardless of how sketchy and doodly they are. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Alright, goodbye. Marco!